Hello, my name is Zoe Fyfe. I am a product manager with FTS. This tutorial is about navigating the graphing features in FTS360. The first time you view a station's page, the graph will only display a single parameter, the one at the top of the legend. You use the legend to select which parameters to view. The graph will support you selecting all of them. Even if you navigate away and back again to the station page, the parameters selected remain persistent. This includes logging out and logging back in on the same computer. If you want to rearrange the legend order, click on the Configure Display button and use the shift arrows to move different parameters up and down. Save the fields and return to the station page. Not only has the legend been rearranged, but so has the list of data points last updated. Likewise, the order of the data points in the station quick view from the map have also been updated to reflect the change, so fuel moisture is now in that first position. Getting back to the map functionality, this graph defaults to displaying the last 6 hours worth of data. So long as the live data box is checked, the graph view will automatically update as new data arrives. You can change the date range you're viewing using the From and To date boxes. To access the To date box, uncheck Live Data. These new date ranges are not persistent, so if we leave this page and return, you'll note that it's gone back to the last 6 hours of data with the Live Data box checked. There are also 3 ways to zoom in on data on the graph. You can swipe horizontally, left to right, or right to left. Double-clicking brings you back to the original range that you have. Swipe vertically, or you can choose to draw a box. You'll notice that focusing in on the data in this manner is not persistent. The date ranges themselves have not modified. You can also narrow the range of data by double-clicking on the topmost and bottommost y-axis values. The same can be done with the date ranges, but it's simpler to just use the drop-down boxes. The versatility of this graphing widget is available whether you are using a mouse or a touchscreen or a mobile device. And using these tips for visualizing your data will give you the insight you need to make more informed decisions about your environment. Thank you for watching.